Alright, this is a 1969 Corvette. It just had new exhaust put on it. And I will show pictures of it in the ad for it, but you can see down below. It's got a few small chips on it in different areas, but it's a good driver, as you can hear. I'll show you the engine. We just put a new alternator on it. Got brand new belts. The engine's been pulled, painted, and all the seals been replaced in it. It's got good tires. All the glass is good in it. Carpet's older, door panels, older. The car itself is just a good quality driver, fun car, runs down the road good and straight. It's got new shocks on it. You can see, we'll try to get down to the codes. You're going to be able to see the VIN number, but I'll definitely it was an air conditioning car. The compressor's missing, but it has all the other parts in it. I'll start it up again for you. Starts right up, runs good. It's a neat car. Oh. We're gonna put it up on eBay and see if we can find an interested buyer. Have any questions, let us know.